Tanya D and
Hi.
and we're here again with our oops, ooh, a lot of stuff came out. Our Nature Box snack testing. And so what fell out was HelloFresh, $35 off. It comes with the code. I can't use that because HelloFresh feeds a small 2-family and we have 4 or 5 people. Okay, and this is Keep Calm and Nom Nom. Let's see. Oh, cashew crumble. We always get this one, I think.
No.
Yes, the cashew.
We get cashew, but when we get
Oh, this
crumble.
is different. No, this is not the crumble. Yeah. This is crumble, not. Beak. Cookie coated cashews. Again, these are made with natural ingredients. They might have some dyes and colors to give it a more freshening color, but other than that, then usually it's all natural. Like this has cashews, unbleached flour, so it's really, well, everything doesn't even have, but that was pretty good. This is Flax Fortune Cookies. I love these snacks.
I better not be a person anymore. I just go buy it and there'd be paper in it.
Fortune. Some stuff. From the Cookie Factory. Help me. Voila. I can really taste the flaxseed too. Tastes way better than Fortune cookies. Dried white peaches.
That's an aftertaste.
It's the flax seeds. Here, we'll just do half of this. It's a peach. You can really smell it.
I don't like peaches. Wait.
Go try one. It smells really strong, but it has a very subtle, mild taste. But I can't smell it. No?
I don't like it.
I like it. It just has, if you smell it at the same time you're eating it, it's very overwhelming, but without smelling it, it's very mild and very sweet. I mean, lightly sweet. Smoky nuts. This is Simply Smoky Nut Mix. I'm trying to get you a nut and a mix. Get me a nut and a mix.
What the heck is a mix?
Whatever that is. Sesame seed sticks. I love sesame seed sticks. That toasty taste. I love that toasty taste.
I don't like this thing.
You don't like the stick? If it's sweet, you like it. Then these are blueberry nom noms, and we'll get half of that.
That's a huge thing.
That's what she said. Again, it's like a no-bake cookie. That's what it tastes like a no-bake cookie.
It is one of those bars.
Like a Nutri-Green bar or something like that. Yep.
I think it's just like the second circle.
When everybody has cookies and I'm craving something, this would be a great substitute for me. Okay, oh, I forgot. Okay, out of all of them, the cashew crumble's your favorite, not the nom noms or the flax fortune.
These.
One. If you can only pick one. The cashew crumble. Well, I like savory snacks. That's I'm into savory snacks. So the smoky nuts. Yeah, there's some dried peaches, aren't there? The smoky nuts right now are having it for me, and then the Smoky Nuts has it for me, and then the Fortune cookies, but okay, rewind. So the Simply Smoky Nut Mix is my choice, and then the flats. Yours is the crumble, then the non-nums, right? So I like this box a lot, better than the last box. We thank you so much for watching our taste test. Please excuse my face. I had broke out. I don't know what I did, but my face is very irritated, and I don't know what I used different that got it this way, so I'm just letting it rest and relax. So please excuse me. And anyway, we thank you so much for watching. If you can give us a thumbs up, we'd appreciate it. If you're new, please
Subscribe.
to us. And if you're old, well, welcome back. And thank you for watching us again. And as always, thank you and have a
Blessed day.
blessed day. Bye. If you can give us a please. You know I love nuts. Anyway, like the real fruit they gave us this time. Did you see me put my head? So my face is very irritating. Yeah, it's irritating. I'm sure it's irritating to you.